Morning Cebu, Philippines. Ayan, across my room is the airport, Cebu Mactan International Airport. Ayan. It's just like walking distance from my hotel, and you can just like go there and fly. Ayan. Look at that view. Hello, sunshine. Magandang umaga. Ayan. And it's very nice view. And so you can just go there and either go shops or explore around the airport. Ayan na. Yeah, it's just like a walking distance. So that's Cebu International Airport. Ayan guys. Ang ganda ng view. You're my best view this morning, Char Iring Baki.